we have this type of figure. These are the coordinate axes, and for example, this is our ellipse. As you can see here, this axis, this is the major axis, and this axis, this is the minor axis. These are the two vertices of the ellipse. Okay, now this is the origin. For example, this is the first focus and this is the second focus. The coordinate of the focus is AE, 0, and on the left side coordinate of focus is minus AE, 0. This is the first part of the ellipse whenever you start the topic ellipse. Now this vertices, its coordinate is A, 0, and its coordinate is minus A, 0. Okay, then length of major axis. When we use the distance formula for two coordinates minus A0 and A0, we got length of major axis, which is 2A. Second one, length of minor axis, it is 2B. What is minor axis? This one and this one. Okay. Now, what is the equation of ellipse? Standard equation of ellipse. It is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Where a is the major axis, b is the minor axis. Okay. Now, I am going to discuss eccentricity. Eccentricity. Eccentricity for parabola is 1, but eccentricity for ellipse is always less than 1. Okay, it is negative. It is always less than 1. We can't say negative, but it is less than 1. And the formula, in order to find out the eccentricity, just learn over this: 1 minus b square over a square, where b is the minor axis and a is the major axis. Must remember this thing. Next thing, for example, length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum for the ellipse. For example, if this is an ellipse, I can make it more clear to you. For example, if this is the ellipse, so these 2 points, this is the latus rectum. This is the latus rectum of the ellipse. And this is the length of semi-latus rectum up to this point, small l. Okay, so what is the length of latus rectum in all? You have just learned the formula, rectum, 2b square upon a. If it is asked in the question, find the length of semi-latus rectum, then you just divide it by 2 and you get b square by a. Okay. Now, if it is asked, what is the coordinate of latus rectum? One latus rectum is over here, another latus rectum can also be drawn over here. For example, it is P and Q, and it is A and B, for example. And here it is the focus, and here is another focus. And we know the coordinate of the focus is, it is on the right hand side, it is AE, 0. It is on the left hand side, it is minus AE, 0. These are the coordinates of focus. Now, what are the coordinates of the latus rectum? Okay. So, for the coordinate of P and Q, these are on the positive side. So, we have AE, comma, half of latus rectum. That is B square by A. It is on the positive side, right hand side. So, both are positive. But for this, B square by A, it is on the negative side. So, we write AE, comma, minus B square by A. Clear? Now, for these two coordinates, for B and A, what are the coordinates of B and A? It is on the positive side of the axis, but its focus is minus AE and semi-latus rectum B square by A. Similarly, the coordinate for the B is minus AE, comma, minus B square by A. Okay. Now, some more important terms which you should know before solving different types of questions on depending upon ellipse. What is the distance between two focus? For example, this is F1 and F2. If it is asked, what is the distance between F1 and F2? Then its value is 2AE. But if it is asked, what is the sum of focal distance from any point on the ellipse from two focuses? For example, this is point X. Then what is the sum of XF2 plus XF1? That is any point on the ellipse. Its distance from different focus. It is always a constant quantity which is equal to 2A. Now I am going to solve different types of questions based on ellipse one by one.